Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Kishween. I hope you're all doing well. अगर आप चैनल पे नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दो और बेल भी बजा दो. So today's video is a little different than what I'm used to do. I have never done such a haul on my channel, so this is my very first time. Title सबने पढ़ ही लिया होगा. So this is going to be a Clovia lingerie or innerwear haul. I recently got some stuff from Clovia and obviously जब मैं सामान लेती हूँ तो haul तो मुझे करना ही होता है, उसके बिना मेरा मन नहीं लगता. So this is specifically for my girls and ladies, and let's get started because I have some really cool and interesting things to share with you. So here I have my box from Clovia. The box is pretty and in here I have a lot of stuff, so let's get started. First up we have is this peach colored bra. Firstly, this peach color, I absolutely love this color and इसके ऊपर ये polka dots हैं ऐसे white color के. Absolutely love the pattern. This one is a padded bra and it fits me beautifully. It gives me a very nice shape and the quality is also so good. It's pretty comfortable as well, I think, which is the best thing. अगर bras comfortable ना हो तो it's a pain everywhere, not in the neck, not in the back, but everywhere. But yeah, this is super comfortable. इसमें adjustable straps भी हैं and पीछे का band भी काफ़ी सही size का है, the appropriate size. So this is really very comfortable and it's cute. Also, this one is your daily bra, your daily use bra, your basic t-shirt bra. Next up we have something more exciting and fun, and it is this this bra. I mean, just look at this. This looks so gorgeous. It is so pretty. This is a demi cup bra and this is underwired. That one was not underwired, but this is underwires. कभी कभी uncomfortable हो सकती हैं, but they give a great support. कभी कभी under some tops non-wired bras उतनी अच्छी shape नहीं देती, so that's when you should use a wired bras. I won't suggest कि इनको बहुत ज़्यादा पहनो, but हाँ कभी कभी आप इनको पहन सकते हो for a better shape and look. Firstly, look at the design. It has flowers all over it and lavender and blue color. ये दोनों colors इतने अच्छे लग रहे हैं एक साथ. It has white also. Such a floral, flowery, blossomy bra. And it also has this little lace work on the top like this, which makes it look even more good. This gives a great shape as well and this is super comfortable. I love such beautiful prints bra. They just make me feel so good, and I personally feel that innerwear should have some color, should have some fun. It makes oneself feel so good. Next up we have is this red yellow funky bra. I don't know why, but I like to call it a funky bra, maybe because of the colors, because they make it look so interesting and fun. This is a padded bra, but this is non-wired. This is your regular t-shirt bra for your daily use. So now we have some underwears and let's see what all I have got. First one is this peachy floral underwear. Just look at this. So this has a very cool print, this floral print, and it has this lace work at the side which makes it look very interesting and quirky. This is your regular basic underwear for your daily use and it's cotton and again super comfortable. And with that we have our second underwear, which is this yellow underwear, but we have a twist, a very big twist. It has this Powerpuff Girls at the back. I mean, oh my god, Powerpuff Girls. So we have Blossom, Bubbles and Buttercup. So this is a very fun underwear, very fun. I don't want to say anything more and it's super comfortable. Next up we have is this lace underwear. So this one has lace all over, all on its sides, as you can see, and it has this beautiful lace. Also the color combination black and pink is so amazing, and इस तरह पूरी लेस है पूरी साइड्स में, दोनों साइड्स पे, एंड साइड्स में इस तरह से ये स्ट्रैप्स हैं which is really cool. Some people might think that lace is very uncomfortable, but I can surely say for this one that this is super comfortable. इससे कोई इरिटेशन नहीं होती, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती, एंड ये शेप ऐसे देख के शायद समझ नहीं आएगी कि क्या है, बट दिस इज एक्चुअली अ रियली नाइस शेप. इट विल फिट यू वेरी वेल. दिस लेस इज़ वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड इसकी एजेस भी बहुत सॉफ्ट हैं, तो आपको ये कोई चुभेगी नहीं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं करेगी, कोई इरिटेशन नहीं करेगी. इफ़ यू आर थिंकिंग ऑफ बाइंग अ लेस अंडरवेयर, यू शुड डेफिनेटली चेक दिस वन आउट. So last but not the least, this is another underwear, and this is a thong. Firstly, I love this color, such an interesting color, such a summery breezy color. Though winters आ गई हैं, but I will always love summer color. It also has this little network in the front. इस तरह से ये यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक फ्रंट में ये इस तरह का नेटवर्क है, विच इज़ रियली कूल, एड मोर डिटेलिंग टू द गारमेंट. दो दिस इज़ अ थॉन्ग बट इट इज़ रियली कम्फर्टेबल. आई नो काफ़ी लोग ये सोचते हैं कि थॉन्ग्स अनकम्फर्टेबल होते हैं, बट you don't know until you try on one, and this thong particularly is really comfortable. It is not at all irritating. This one is not at all irritating or something you won't be comfortable in. This is super comfortable. Again, I know मैं comfortable बार बार कह रही हूँ, but innerwear should be really comfortable. This is the most important thing while buying something like this. So that was it. This was everything that I got. But one more thing is left, a gift that I got from Clovia. So I got this tank top as a gift. कैमरा में तो ये ग्रेडियंट कलर सा लग रहा है, पर ये इतना ग्रेडियंट है नहीं, बट लुक्स रियली कूल इन द कैमरा. So yeah, this was the gift, and this tank top is really soft, I must say. So I'm really happy with this gift. So this was all my Clovia shopping, and I would highly recommend Clovia to all of you for your intimate wear, for your lingerie. And personally, I would definitely recommend this bra. They have a lot of variety and a lot of design and pattern range to choose from. They also have some Christmas offers going on their website, where you can get up to 60% off on loungewear, and you will get a free Moha face wash. Also, they have other Christmas offers like 3 bras for 999 or 4 bras for 799. I mean, that is a really nice offer. So अगर आपको ये lingerie या innerwear खरीदने की सोच रहे हो, so these offers, this is the best time to invest in your innerwear, your undergarments. Also, I have some coupons for you guys for some extra discounts. So you can use online 5 for 5% off on your prepaid purchases. You can use savings 10 to get a flat 10% off on your cash on delivery. And additionally, you can use my partner code, that is GAL5, for additional 5% off on your all purchases. इतने सारे ऑफर्स, इतने सारे कूपन्स, so you must check out their website. Link to their website and the links to all the products mentioned will be in the description box below. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like button if you like this video, और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना. इस लाल बटन को ज़रा जल्दी से दबा दो. Also do let me know in the comment section below कि इन सब चीज़ों में से आपकी फेवरेट चीज़ क्या रही, या क्या चीज़ आपको सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी. You can also follow me on Instagram. My handle is @kishween.kaur. जल्दी जाओ, follow करो. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, goodbye and stay safe.